This is a video for King's Court Trust's Gold and Silver business partners. It's about what to do with Onsite before you use it for the first time in a family meeting. Onsite is the tool we've developed to help you provide a quote and contract to families, and there's a couple of steps to take before you use it offline in a family home. The best way to get started is to log into Onsite, and that's your portal to our services. If you don't have a username and password for Onsite yet, please get in touch. So I've logged into Onsite, and the next step is to click on your Onsite Enquiries. From there, there's a Launch Onsite button. Just click that, and that will take you through to the login page for Onsite. So now the next step is just to log into Onsite using exactly the same username and password that you use for Onsite. So I've logged into Onsite, and now it's just a case of saving a bookmark or a shortcut to Onsite so that you can access it quickly whether or not you've got an internet connection. So one thing you can do is to save a bookmark to Onsite. How you do that depends on what browser you're using. So I'm using Chrome, and all I have to do to save a bookmark to Onsite is click on this star and then click Done. It's a similar process for other browsers. You might find there's a star icon or there's a menu you can click on to add the bookmark. And if you're logged into Onsite like I am, saving a bookmark will mean all you have to do later is open your browser, click on the bookmark and start the process, and you can do that whether or not you're online. A second option is to save a shortcut to Onsite. Now I'm on a laptop, and if I want to save a shortcut to my desktop, all I have to do is to drag the window a little bit so I can see the desktop, and then drag this green padlock icon to the desktop that's next to the Onsite address. That saved a shortcut to Onsite on my desktop. So when you open your laptop at a family meeting, all you have to do is to click that shortcut and it will open up Onsite in your browser. Alternatively, if you're using a tablet, you can save a shortcut to Onsite on your home page. How you do that depends on which device you're using. We have further details in our user guide. And if you might be using multiple devices like a laptop and a tablet, remember to repeat this process on each device. So that's an overview of getting ready to use Onsite. You're now ready to use it offline with a family, and we have another video and a user guide which explain more about that process. And of course, if you have any questions, please get in touch.